introducing you to our founder, Mr. Aman Gupta, who is also uh, the brainy behind CallXP. Aman, thank you for joining, and I will set the stage for you first. I would like to ask you a few questions. Number one is, what is what is CallXP, and why is CallXP, and who it is for, and what is creator economy actually?
So Call XP is a platform that is providing all the creators, professionals, and educators a platform to come out and directdirectly reach out to their audience and start to monetize that audience. So here we have Dr. Abhinav, who is from AIMS New Delhi, and he is a professional who is on Call XP, and he wants to basically share his experiences and expertise with various audiences.
What are the challenges doctors are facing today to have their own digital presence?
With CallXP, the communication is going to be two-way. Like if someone has any query, or if he or she has a specific problem for which he or she wants a specific solution, they can easily book my slot. They can look at my calendar and they can easily book a slot and they can have a talk with me. And उनको चल जाएगा पता कि हाँ उनकी जो प्रॉब्लम है उसका 1-to-1 सॉल्यूशन क्या होने वाला है. सो फर्स्ट बेनिफिट, जो सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट मुझे लगता है फॉर पीपल लाइक मी, कि कम्युनिकेशन इज गोइंग टू बी टू वे फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन. अब कम्युनिकेशन सिर्फ वन वे नहीं रहेगी, मैं वीडियो में बोलता नहीं रहूंगा. इससे भी बड़ी चीज, द सेकंड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट थिंग, बीइंग अ टीचर एंड बीइंग अ डॉक्टर, शेयरिंग माय पर्सनल नंबर वाज द सबसे बड़ा डॉन्टिंग टास्क मेरे लिए. क्यों? रात को 1-1, 2-2 बजे तक मेरा फोन बजता है, सर ये हो गया, क्या किया जाए, सर ये क्वेश्चन नहीं हो रहा, क्या किया जाए. एंड आई डोंट वांट टू शेयर माय नंबर, आई डोंट वांट टू शेयर माय ईमेल, बट एक मजबूरी थी, मैं और क्या करूं. लेकिन नाउ I can, like, I have my digital identity. I have my own digital identity. I have my digital barcode. जहाँ पे मुझे अब share नहीं करना है. My personal details are safe with me. I just have a digital account, digital version of me, to which people can talk. They can just book a session. They can look at my calendar.
But since pandemic, we saw teachers finding it hard to teach online.
Centralizing the teachers ecosystem, providing me a number of career advancement opportunities, and obviously it's a secure payment method. It has a secure payment method.
So with Call XP, with the virtual digital toll line coming in specifically for a person, will be a great boon, because that ways you'll be able to eliminate the unwanted and be very specific. So be it with the recording, be it with the log, or be it even with the calls, also no downloading of app, which I think is brilliant.
You definitely have over 3+ decades of experience building organizations across multiple domains. What are those? I mean, personally, I want to ask you this question, but for the audience also, what are the areas where you feel strongest about CallXP from your own point of view?
This platform has the potential to mimic life, as fundamental as that. Really, what we thrive on in life is human-to-human engagement, which of course, there have been setbacks with respect to what COVID has done. But CallXP has essentially what any of us is doing in life is gathering a whole bunch of experience. And how that experience can benefit somebody else, that's really the engagement platform that I'm most excited about with respect to CallXP, and the potential for anybody really to draw insights from their experience and share it with people, and where people find it valuable, there is obviously that exchange that happens. And that sort of potential, which literally touches every sort of person who is capable of articulating the insights that they gather from their experience. So that's really the core and fundamental platform that I see CallXP as. And therefore it has phenomenal potential in terms of just reaching anybody and everybody.
With all the security measures which can be put online, and all the user information, all the recordings, and the entire communication that is happening online. This is over, and this is entirely over the encrypted lines. So no data is exchanged without any authorized access. No unauthorized access, I would say, is possible on the platform. So whatever is happening is only happening through secure channels. If a creator wants to publish any content on the website and wants to maybe display some kind of banner ad or something, that is definitely a possibility. This is not a platform where we are controlling everything. This is your own platform. CallXP belongs to the creators. It has been built for the creators to provide them ownership. So I'm stressing on the ownership part because you have to understand that this is you, this is your own website. We are here helping you out in your brand promotion, being your technology partners, being your marketing partners, but we are providing you the ownership of the entire experience that you're offering. Okay, be it with the users who are coming onto you, you have the entire contact details. We are not hiding anything from the creators. You have the entire contact details. You can reach out to your customers directly from CallXP's platform if you want to. You have all the call recordings, and you are the owner. You are the master of how you are. You are the boss actually of how you want to showcase yourself to the world. What kind of offerings you want to show. What is the time that you're available? You're monetizing your own skill set and your own time.